Hi, my name is Cassandra Burns. I'm going to walk you through using Letterpop today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to letterpop.com. It will take you to this page. And here are 3 steps to create and email digital newsletters. So you could input content from any of these. And then we're going to see there's a whole bunch of template newsletters that we could choose from and customize. And then we could distribute it through any of these. So let's talk about pricing. So I'm going to go to this pricing options tab. There is a free 60-day trial. You could send it digital newsletters to up to 100 contacts with the free 60-day trial. Here are the pricing options. As you can see, an RSS feed is available for all of them. This basic plan does include ads, but the rest of them do not. And then you could see they each have a different amount of newsletters you can create per year and a different amount of email contacts that you could send this to. So it really depends on how many emails you're going to send, how many newsletters you're going to create. So let's go to creating one. The first thing we need to do is sign up for an account. So go to sign up. We're going to click this green Get Started Now button. Okay, we're going to click Login. And then you will be brought up to this page. You could do sign up for free. It wants you to put in your address, first, last name, organization name, and phone number. Since I'm already a member, I'm just going to click Login again. Okay. So once you log in, it'll take you to your page, and mine will show that I have 60 days left in my free trial. So the first thing you want to do is to set up your first list. So this could be, second grade, 2018 would be our year for right now. You could put all the email addresses in there so you could send out the newsletters to all the parents in second grade. You're going to add your organization info. So you could put your school's address, their website address, and then their physical address if there is one. And then you could update a logo. You could select your industry from any of these. Lots of options there. Okay, and then finally, you get to this step where you're going to create your first email. So click on Create Your First Email, and it's going to take you to all the templates that are available. There are a lot of them. So I'll keep scrolling down to the bottom. There's a ton. So we could pick one, anyone that would work best for you. So let's go with there's a really cool St. Patrick's Day one. There it is. Let's go with that. So it's going to load the template, and then we can customize it if we don't like the way that it looks already. So what we could do is we could drag and drop images. So these images, if you double click on this, it'll open up this box. You could either upload a file from your computer, or you could do an image URL for if it's something from like Google. Okay, so I'm going to close that because I didn't actually add an image, and then you can kind of move it around where you want it to be. So it'll take some time to load. Alright, so the next thing we can do is drag and drop a text box. So this is my new text box, and I could type whatever I want in there. So I could click the garbage can if I don't like it. I could put a divider in anywhere I want, so maybe let's go with that. I could put in a spacer, which is just adding a blank space. I could add a video. So maybe I want to double click on this, put in some sort of address for the video, and then it'll update this video thumbnail. And then you can just click Insert. So now you have a video on your digital newsletter. There's more option. You could pull in web or social media content. You could ask questions like in a poll format and track responses. You could set this up for like a party invitation and get RSVPs, or you could ask for donations and people could fundraise or donate from there. So that again was just the more plus sign. Okay, so let's say I'm happy with this. You can save your edits and then you can do continue. Once you go to continue, you can now schedule where you want, when and where you want this digital newsletter email to. So you could set it up here for the date. You could choose any date you want. You could choose any time you want. And then you could just add your email addresses here. And then click this green or this orange schedule button. And that's all you have to do. You're done. So you just created and shared a digital newsletter with anybody that you wanted to. So that is the end of our tutorial on how to use this.